Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your mom, Marilyn. So guys, for this look I'm just gonna start up by doing my eyes. I already did one and just copy it to the second eye. I'm using the brown color from the Morphe's palette. Then I do a cut crease using the ploiuse base in Rumors number 4, and I just blend it out with a flat brush. Sorry guys, sorry this is a voiceover, but the noise in this city, I cannot explain. So after just blending it out, I'm going to be using the So Pro Cosmetics Vivid Bright colors. I'm using the color Lemon. So I'm just going to apply it to my cut crease, the edge of the cut crease, and just use it to outline. Then I just go back into the ploiuse base to clean out the excess or the fallouts that came out of the nail, and I just blend it out again. We're trying to get a very clean base so the orange color sticks in well, and I just use the color orange from the Blossom palette. It's Blossom USA palette. I'm going to put a description down below and just buff it out. Well, the palette didn't give me what I wanted, so I just went into the Morphe's 3502 palette and I just added it to it. Then I used the ploiuse base to make a liner. Then I put the neon eyeshadow on it again to just make everything good. I'm using the neon as the cut crease and also as a liner. After, just below that, I go into my black liner from Elsas and I just applied it on it. Descriptions will be down below. Then I'm done with the look. It's actually a very easy look. You can do it anytime. For priming my face, I use the Maybelline Baby Skin, and then I got this So Pro Cosmetics highlighter, and then I use it as a base. Then I'm using the zikel foundation. Then the ploiuse. I'm using ploiuse and my Maybelline concealer to conceal my face. Then I just blend it out using my beauty sponge. I'm going to my zikel face definer palette to just bronze my, contour my nose and my cheeks. After contouring, I just use my RCMA low color setting powder to set. Guys, this powder is life. I mean life. Then I just apply it on it. Sorry, don't mind me. I know I look like a monster right now, but it is doing its work. Then I go into my tear duct using the NYX Milk Jumbo Pencil. Then I go into the neon pigment again to use as my liner, my under eye liner. Then I go back into orange from the Morphe's palette, and then I just use it for my under eye. I'm just dusting away the excess powder on my face to give it a smooth look. Then I go into my LA Girl Pro powder in True Bronze. Then I use the highlight my face too. Then I use my setting spray, Elf Mist and Sets. Then go back into my zikel HD face definer contour palette, and then I just use it to highlight my face. Just not so much, just highlight a bit to give it a little bronzy look. Then I do it for my underbrow, so it gives it this nice shine. Like so when light hits it gives it this fine look, really defined look. Then I take it into my inner tear duct and just highlight. I'm using my eye pencil again to start to line my lips because it's brown. Then I just go into the classic lipstick in burnt red. Yeah, but it has this thing about the lipstick, it has this orangey look when it oxidizes, so it works well for me. Then I go into the Bobbi Brown highlighter palette and then I just finish the look. Hope you enjoyed the look. It was fun making it, and video was very short. I really like this look. It's kind of different from the regular looks I do. Hope you really enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.